The cryptocurrency market is fluctuating, but businesses are still creating, investing, and releasing their NFT projects. Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about Dominos Pizza and the marketing strategy behind their latest NFT release. If you have no idea who I am, my name is Drip Bae Be and welcome to the NFT's YouTube channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, just hit the button subscribe, could leave your comment, share this video. Here we talk about the drops, the trends, and the latest news about cryptocurrency and NFT. Don't forget to also follow us in our social media, so you're gonna be the first one to know what is going on in this world. Well, let's get started. Do you remember the Noid? The Noid is a cartoon character created by Dominos Pizza in the 80s and 90s, and this character was kind of like their mascot. This character is a fundamental piece for their latest NFT release. I don't know if you already saw some advertising on TV or YouTube about the return of the Noid. Yeah, the character is back, and why is a very important piece of their NFT project? Because apparently this NFT project is around the tools that this character used to accomplish his mission. And his main mission is to stop the pizza delivery. Oh yeah, you heard that right. Domino's Pizza created a character, a mascot, that its main objective, its main goal is to stop the delivered pizza. That's it. So the NFTs, they are released on Rarible.com. It's all about these tools that the character used. And Domino's Pizza, they did like a tweet about to avoid the Noid, to not buy the NFT. Yeah, because they have like a Twitter for the Domino's Pizza and a special Twitter for the Noid. They even talk about creating a TikTok for only this character. And they're literally saying, do not buy this. Avoid the Noid. And I know there are a lot of opinions around this whole thing. I don't like their sauce. It's too sweet. They will never get me again. They should start focusing on their sauce, not this NFT. What is NFT? Huh? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't like their pizza anyways. I'm never going to buy their pizza, okay? But I don't get it. Why they created something they're saying to not buy? I literally don't get it, okay? I do not get it. And I know it can be confusing at first when you think about the whole thing. Why a company, a business would create something against their own company, right? It's a concept that's a little backwards, but it works. It's been working for years. And Domino's Pizza is trying to do the same thing with their character. They already did it back in 80s and 90s. Now the character is back. Like I say, they're trying to make this whole TikTok thing, this whole thing for its own character, because they know some people love Domino's Pizza, some people just hate it or won't come back. You know, it's kind of that love and hate relationship that they have for this company. But what do you think? Do you think they are going to raise a lot of money, nothing about their NFT release? Do you think this is a smart marketing strategy? Do you think that's going to work? I would love to know what you think in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm excited to see how the result is going to be from their NFT release, because I think that's very outside of the box, and I like when the companies do things differently like that. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I will see you in our next video. Beijo. Tchau, tchau.